Hello and good day, sir. I will be presenting my work for Activity 9B. So we are tasked to create a house class with the following properties and methods: the floor size, number of floors, number of doors, and methods switch on, light open, and oven open. So we would create a townhouse, another class called townhouse to inherit the house class, and it will we will modify the value of the following properties: the number of floors and number of doors, and also instantiate the townhouse class once, and it we would display all the properties. And calling the switch on function will automatically execute the light open and oven open function. So I for this one program, I have created two modules. One module is for the house class and one is for the main one main code. So inside the house class module is the class house, and we have it has an init method with house type, floor size, number of floors, and number of doors. The house type nga kuan variable is my personal kuan na personal addition ni siya sa akong code. So manage ang init method niya. Then we have the print properties nga function. This will print the house type, floor size, number of floors, and number of doors. As you can see, atong tawag ang atong self. Kaya kaninga kuan class as a self, and itawag to ang mga variables. So here is the ang tulo ka functions, ang light open, oven open, or switch on. So as per instruction, ang calling the switch on function would call the light open and oven open function. So diri nagbutang kong message print switch on, and atong tawag ang light open ug oven open. And we created another class called townhouse to inherit the properties of the house class. Yeah. So man siya. It has its own init method to be able to modify the values of the house class, which properties it inherited. So this is all about sa atong house class module. Going going to the main house class, I imported the house class module and instantiated instantiated and an object to hold for it. So kanila nag nag-modify ta sa value sa house class using the init function niya. So house class impasta og arguments kani siya ang house type ni siya house type, kani sa number of floors, kani sa number of floors ba to? Sa floor size ito, floor size, the number of floors, and number of doors. So numbers ang akong gipass as arguments. Now sunod ani is we would call and print the properties function from the house class module. So house class man atong instantiate diri house class atong ano din print properties ina. Then I print free space or line sa atong console, and then instantiated instantiated another object called townhouse class to hold the house class and get the tapuan, and yeah, and call the townhouse function, which inherited the house class townhouse class rather townhouse class which inherited the house class. So ay na-inherit man niya ang properties ni house class. So ug unsa tong mga set nga variable sa house class ma-inherit po niya. So we pass our kuan parehaan sa format nga ni house type which is townhouse atong gi-increase ang number of everything attribute niya just to show just to show nga maka modify ta sa value sa parent class through inheritance sa atong child class. Then we call the instantiated object lahi naman instantiate mo ta, and then we get the print properties function sa atong house class properties function. And we also as per instruction nato we have to call the switch on function. So ito gitawag ang switch on function, and therefore it will call the light open and open which has its respective messages. So let's test our code. One is the user input nga involved. It just shows the functionality of inheritance or the concept of inheritance in Python. Just like in any object oriented language. So nga to. Sa first run niya, normal house, man yung information atong i-pass as arguments sa atong kuan sa class na to. Then through init function ijang gi-modify floor size, house type, house kan. Then the second one atong sa atong code rin pass ang putang arguments kani sila. It modified the information into this, and we called our switch on function switch on function code, then switch light open and open diri sila kini. So mao to sir, thank you and good day.